In this video, I'll show you how you can fix WWZ connection to WWZ Services failed. First thing you should do always is head over to Google and search for the service status. Click here and check if there's any significant errors, like if the spike goes all the way up here or there's a spike at the time that you're having the issue, because sometimes the servers are down and then you cannot connect. Now, if it's not down and you're still getting this error, another thing you should do is, if you're on Steam, head over to your library, find the game, not Counter-Strike, but do it for WWZ, and then right-click, Properties, Install Files, and then verify your game files. Now, if you're on Epic Games, go to Epic Games, find the game, click here, and there'll be a Manage button here. And in here, you should be able to verify your game files. Now, I cannot verify my game files because it's updating, but if the game is not updating, you can go to Manage and there will be a Verify button right here. Once you've verified your files, you should restart your PC and then it should work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.